Welcome to all. Today we are going to discuss about work power energy. That is, in the previous class we are already discussed about that is work. Now we studied about power. We know that if work is done by a body measured with time, then the corresponding physical quantity which measure work in terms of time is known as power. So power determines whether a man or machine do work at a faster rate or at a slower rate. When work is measured in terms of time, then we get power. Power may be defined as time rate of doing work. If W is the amount of work done in a time T, then we can write mathematically as average power work by time. That implies P is equal to W by T. If W is the amount of work done in time T, then power becomes work by time, that is W by T. Power may be defined as amount of work done in unit time. If T is equal to 1 unit, then P is equal to W. So we can write dimension of a power. Power, the work by time. So as we know, dimension of work M1 L2 T minus 2 and time T1. On simplifying, we get dimension of power as a M1 L2 T minus 3. That is 1, 2, minus 3 are dimension of power in terms of mass, length and time respectively. Unit of power, in SI unit, power is measured in terms of watt. It is written as W. If W is equal to 1 joule, T is equal to 1 second, then power P is equal to 1 watt hour. As P is equal to W by T implies 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Whereas in CGS unit, it is measured as arc per second. Here unit of work is arc and time is second. So work by time, that is the unit of power, which is arc per second in CGS unit, where 1 watt may be written as the 1 joule per second. As we know, 1 joule is 10 to the power 7 arc, so it is 10 to the power 7 arc per second. Then this is the relation between SI unit and CGS unit of power. Power may also measured in a bigger unit. In bigger unit, we can write unit of power as a kilowatt. Power unit को हमें किलोवाट भी लिख परिबा, where 1 kilowatt becomes 10 to the power 3 watt. Similarly, 1 horsepower may be written as 1 HP, which equal to 746 watt. Similarly, another bigger unit, 1 megawatt, that is 10 to the power 6 watt. These are the bigger unit of power. Work may be done at a uniform rate or at a non-uniform rate. So, in case of non-uniform rate of doing work, we have to define two types of power. One is average power and another one is instantaneous power. তাহলে average power may be defined as ratio of net work done to the net time taken, that is delta W by delta T. Hala. Whereas instantaneous power may be defined as the limiting case of average power when time interval approaches to 0. That is limit delta T tends to 0, P average, whereas P average becomes delta W divided by delta T, which becomes, in differential notation, we write instantaneous power as a dW by dt. If work is done at a non-uniform rate, then we can define two types of power. One is average power, जोटा delta W by delta T, whereas instantaneous power, that is a differential time rate of doing work, is known as a instantaneous power. as we know, dW as dot product of a force and a displacement, F dot ds. So in place of dW, we write the F dot ds. So P becomes f dot ds by dt, we can write it as f dot ds by dt, but ds by dt is our instantaneous velocity. So Pg dot product of force and instantaneous velocity. This is instantaneous power. As power is obtained by dot product of two vector, force and instantaneous velocity, so it is a scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity as it is obtained by dot product of two vector. We know that bigger unit of power may be, that is watt. Similarly, in a practical unit, bigger unit of energy written as kilowatt. Kilowatt is the bigger unit of power. So taking into bigger unit of power, we can write bigger unit of energy as a kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour. This is bigger unit of energy which is measured practically. That is known as a Broad of trade unit. BOT. It is measured as unit of electric energy. It is a unit of electric energy. One unit of electric energy in meter reading, we measure electric energy in terms of unit of energy, that is kilowatt hour. Meter reader take meter bill in terms of number of units we use in our house. That means one unit of electric energy known as 1 kilowatt hour, which is Broad of trade unit. One Broad of trade unit. जोठी 1 kilowatt hour, that is 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. 1 kilowatt, that is 1000 watt into 1 hour. That is 10 to the power 3 watt into hour. 3600 second. 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Each minute 60 seconds, so 1 hour becomes 3600 seconds. So we convert 1 unit of electric energy or 1 kilowatt hour becomes 1 kilowatt hour becomes 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt into second, that is known as a joule. তাহলে 1 Broad of trade unit or 1 kilowatt hour, which is known as 1 unit of electric energy, its value is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This is our electric power. Suppose we have to do some problem. suppose a machine gun fires 60 bullets per minute. With velocity (700 meter per second). Mass of each bullet as 50 gram. Find the power delivered by the gun. তাহলে gun fires 60 bullet per minute. That means here time is 1 minute. So mass of bullet fired in 1 minute of mass of bullet fired. Each bullet 50 gram, that will fire 60 bullet. So mass of 60 bullet in 1 minute of 60 into 50 gram, that is 3000 gram, which is 3 kg. So velocity of a bullet given 700 meter per second. তাহলে by definition work done becomes kinetic energy of a bullet half mv square, that is half into m mass here 3 kg into 700 square. Here 1 minute is 60 second. So power becomes work by time. Your work half into 3 into 700 square divided by 60, that is work by time. Work all are measured in SI, time is measured in a second, that is SI. So SI unit of power becomes watt. So on simplification we get 12,250 watt, or at 1.225 into 10 to the power 4 watt. This is the amount of work done. can do another example. A leap team is designed to carry a load of 4000 kg through 10 floors of a building the averaging $6 per floor. In 10 seconds. Calculate horsepower of the lift. Here work done is equal to potential energy to carry 10 floor. তাহলে তাহলে এটি পাওয়ারটা হবো ওয়ার্ক ইজ ইকুয়াল টু হবো mgh. Here m is that is 4000, our g 9.8, h टा हला हमरो each floor 6 meter 10 floor रेजिंग हबो सो 10 into 6 meter हाइट रेजिंग हबो 10 फ्लोर को राइज करिवो each floor 6 meter so 10 floor height of 10 floor becomes 10 into 6 हला h is equal to 10 into 6 that is work done टा हबो mgh potential energy ताले this much joule. So power becomes work by time. Here time is 10 second. That is it 4000 into 9.8 into 60 by 10. Your answer is that is 4000 into 9.8 into 6. What we convert it into horsepower, so we divide it by 746. 4000 into 9.8 into 6 by 1 HPG 746 watt. তাহলে এতিক HP হবো that implies 315.28 HP. So lift engine power becomes 315.28 HP. This is about power.